Hi guys and welcome. This is for the first time when I'm doing a vlog with my car and about my car, so please don't be harsh on me as I have zero experience with this. All my previous content, it's related to motorcycle racing, so in the next few minutes I will just briefly, let's say, get through all the things I've done for my E92 325i European spec. Okay, so first of all, this is not a tuning vlog, and this thing what I did and what is about for you to see is not about tuning. It's an upgrade, because BMW for the European market, I don't know for the US, but for the European market it had the same engine for two different spec models. So 325i and 330i actually had the same N53 engine, of course for marketing purpose. So BMW could sell the same car almost for let's say different money. So what is the different? For the 330 it's a 3-stage manifold. So what I'm actually doing right now in this video, I will swap the OEM 2-stage intake manifold with a 3-stage intake manifold. Everything is stock, everything is OEM, so nothing is like a real tuning in here. I'm just upgrading this car. But before anything else, we need to remind that this car has over 200,000 kilometers, so we need to address some things before pumping up the power, to be sure that technically speaking it's flawless. So we had to change lots of things in order for the car to be, let's say, up to its pace again. And yeah, let's see also the costs. So are you curious? Oh well, let's get going. use a fuel with 50 more horsepower. Oh well. Fun. So, will I do it again? Damn, yes I would. I mean, this is a very, very easy to make upgrade. And as you can see, well, yes, I would definitely do it again. But it's very important to take your time to find the parts. The 3-stage intake manifold, right now it's very pricey on eBay because those who are selling it know the drill. And you will find it much more cheaper at the scrapyard, much more cheaper. I took it for, let's say, 70, 85 euros, it's something like that. So it's that cheap if you buy it from people that don't know the thing. So yeah, definitely, if you have a 325i, go for it. It's totally worth the money, as you saw. Well, I'm not that experienced with car vlogging, but if you like it, leave a comment below, hit a like, and well, see you next time. Right.